everyone, my name is Howard Lewis, and we're going to be talking about my favorite topic in math, and that is solving for x. Now, when we solve for x, we want our answer to look like this. X equals, by the end of each problem, because that's isolating the x. So in this case, we are going to solve for x. In order to solve for x, when you see a variable or a number pushed up together, that means multiplication. So we do the opposite of multiplication, and that is division. So what I'm going to do is divide 2 on both sides. And here, these cancel. 16 divided by 2 will be 8. So we have x equals 8. There you go. X is now isolated. We now solve for x. We did the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we solve for x. Now let's move on to the next problem. We have 2x plus 8 equals 16. Ooh. This time we got a number with a variable. So what we do is, there's something bothering the x. The x wants to be isolated, but there's something bothering it. What's bothering it is the 8. So we do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. So what we do is subtract 8 on both sides, right? These cancel, because 8 plus a negative 8 is 0. Then we have 2x on this side, which is going to stay here. Right now we're going to worry about 16 minus 8, which will be 8. Right? So we have 2x. We didn't have 2x, and it's starting to look like our first equation. We have 2x equals 8. So we're going to do the same thing we did for the first one. We divide 2 on both sides. So we do 2. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have the x by itself again. X equals 4. And that is getting x by itself. Now let's take a look at the last one. 4x plus 12 plus 9 minus 5 equals 32. Now, first, what we're going to do is, we see the x, right? But there's something else bothering it. We have extra numbers in. We call those like terms. So we combine the like terms. We combine this, this, and this, because they are like terms. They're not like this one, because this one's all the way on the other side. But we have like terms. So we have 12 plus 9, which will give me 21, minus 5, which will give me 16. So we combine the like terms, minus the 5, and we got 16. So we can write this down. We got 4x, starting to look like the second equation as well. Then we have equals 32. Now, what's next, you may ask? The same thing we did for the second one. We divide, forgot the plus sign. So we subtract 16, because this is a plus, on both sides. They're a little too close to each other. All right, this is 32. Subtract 16 on both sides. Obviously, these two cancel. 16 plus a negative 16 is 0, so these cancel out. We have 4x. And then we got 16 as well. Because 32 minus 16 is 16. So this will give me 16 divided by 4 on both sides. And we get x equals 2. X equals 4, excuse me. And there you have it.